there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 healthy and delicious vegan recipes for beginners. We know how challenging it can be to transition to a vegan lifestyle, especially when it comes to meal planning. That's why we've handpicked these recipes that are not only easy to make but also packed with nutrients and flavor. So, grab your aprons, and let's get started. Recipe 1: Easy Vegan Pancakes. First up, we have a classic breakfast recipe, pancakes. But these aren't your ordinary pancakes. They're fluffy, moist, and made with simple ingredients like almond milk, apple cider vinegar, and baking powder. And the best part? You can top them with any of your favorite fruits or syrups. Recipe 2: Vegan Quinoa Salad. For our second recipe, we have a refreshing quinoa salad that's perfect for a light lunch or dinner. Quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein, and when combined with vegetables like cucumber, tomato, and avocado, it creates a nutritious and tasty dish. The dressing is made with olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard, giving it a tangy and zesty flavor. Recipe 3: Creamy Vegan Mushroom Pasta. Who doesn't love pasta? Our next recipe is a creamy vegan mushroom pasta that's both comforting and flavorful. The creamy sauce is made with cashews, nutritional yeast, and garlic, giving it a cheesy and savory taste. The mushrooms add a meaty texture and earthy flavor that complements the pasta perfectly. Recipe 4: Vegan Lentil Shepherd's Pie. Our fourth recipe is a vegan version of the classic shepherd's pie. We've swapped the ground meat with lentils, which are a great source of fiber and protein. The lentils are simmered with onions, garlic, and vegetable broth, creating a savory and hearty filling. The mashed potato topping adds a creamy and buttery flavor that makes this dish irresistible. Recipe 5: Vegan Banana Bread. Finally, we have a sweet treat for you: vegan banana bread. This recipe is super easy to make and requires only a few ingredients, including ripe bananas, flour, and coconut sugar. The result is a moist and flavorful bread that's perfect for breakfast or as a snack. And that's it, folks. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some inspiration for your next vegan meal. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.